大美中国西部如歌自证队。
Hello everyone, welcome back to iChongqing. I'm your reporter, Nan. Right now I'm here at Chongqing Guotai Arts Center. Why? There will be a remarkable musical event bridging cultures, the magnificent land, melody of Western China, night of the international musical story. The Danish top music producer Hedegaard and Chinese artists of 10 ethnic groups will take the stage to share their field stories and together light up the music map spanning 9 Western provinces. Let's go and find out.
I feel really good about this night. I've been preparing for it for months and I've just been really excited to see how it would end up. But I think all the musicians did so well and the audience was incredible, so I'm very happy right now. The first thing I do is I try to listen to the music very carefully. I try to learn their tradition, learn the way of singing and playing their instrument, and then I just stay with it for a while and see what I can come up with. And for all the songs, it came naturally, so I just had to sit with it when I came home for a little bit. I'm very excited about the result.
因为天琴呢是我们非常传统的一种古老的乐器，它的音色呢本来就是比较单一的。那经过这次合作之后呢，我们会觉得说，我们的天琴可以这么玩，对，有更多的表现力，而且融合进了更多的一些编曲元素之后呢，让我们的天琴更加的创新，而且更加潮流、更加国际化。
Because I was sitting in the crowd as well and kind of peeping around, and what I noticed is that everybody was very engaged in what was happening.
The concert was truly amazing, and the cultural heritage, like the traditional Chinese songs, they connect with modern Western songs. So it was truly amazing.
因为我觉得这是一个很好的东西，所以我带小朋友来听。因为他也是学音乐方面的嘛，所以我觉得这些非遗的东西对于小朋友的那种影响的话会更大。然后结合了现在的一些电子音乐和现在的一些元素，可以让他们这种小朋友或者现在年轻一点的人更多的能来看到我们的一些民族文化的东西，来接受它。
And especially, I would mention about like the Lanzhou traditional song and also the traditional dance. That was really amazing for us. We enjoyed a lot. You know, music has no language. Music can connect the world. So when this kind of activities, this kind of culture, we can see together. So I think it's really amazing, and it can improve the combination of both culture, like Western, Chinese, and people can learn a lot from them.
在这场跨越山海的旅途中，我们向世界呈现的不再只是沉甸甸的历史，更是一个在数字浪潮中奋勇前行，在传统根茎上长出崭新枝桠的现代化西部。我们相信，音乐是跨越文化的通用语言，它能让我们每个人成为朋友，更能让人类命运共同体这样的宏大叙事变为我们身边可触可感的温暖和力量。
The event also featured a global premiere ceremony for the album and a documentary Western China's Melody. On July 27, the large-scale bilingual music documentary will be officially launched worldwide.
朋友们、听众们、乐迷们，西部如歌音乐专辑及系列纪录片全球正式发布。
I think that is genius. It's something that I've never experienced before, and it's something that should happen a lot more often. And I hope that this leads the way of that happening. I hope this is the road to more of this happening.
I hope that the audience will, first of all, find it fascinating to see all the minorities and hear their music if they don't know it already. I hope they will listen to that and find that fascinating, but also just embrace the message of that music can bring us together, and together music is just the bridge between worlds, basically.
Tonight's performances set the stage. The documentary tells the full story. Stay tuned, the sound of Western China about to reach the world.